Have you ever wondered how your favorite chocolate is made? Well, let's embark on a sweet journey to discover the magic behind the creation of this beloved treat. Our story begins far away in the tropics where the mighty cacao tree flourishes. This tree, often lovingly referred to as Theobroma cacao, or food of the gods, is the birthplace of all chocolate. Its precious fruit, the cacao pods, are the first key ingredient in our chocolate journey. Each cacao pod is a treasure trove of potential, housing dozens of cacao beans within its vibrant exterior. These are the seeds that set the stage for the chocolate we know and love. The cacao tree and its pods are the heart and soul of chocolate making, a testament to the importance of nature in crafting our favorite indulgence. And that's just the start of the journey. The real magic happens when these cacao pods are harvested. Once the cacao pods are harvested, the next step begins. The pods, each as unique as a snowflake, are opened up to reveal a treasure trove of cacao beans nestled inside. These beans, the very heart of the chocolate-making process, are gently extracted with care. But the journey is far from over. These beans aren't quite ready to become the chocolate we all know and love. They need to ferment. Yes, you heard right, fermentation, a process as ancient as civilization itself, is used in creating chocolate. The beans are placed in bins, where they bask in their own sweet pulp, kickstarting the fermentation process. Over several days, the beans undergo a transformation, developing the complex flavors we associate with fine chocolate. This process also helps to remove the bitter taste inherent in raw cacao. After fermentation, the beans are dried and they are now ready for the next stage. Now, it's time for the cacao beans to transform into something more familiar. Picture this. The cacao beans have been harvested, fermented, and dried. They're no longer the bitter seeds we started with. Now, it's time to transform these beans into something we all love: chocolate. The first step in this transformation is roasting. The cacao beans are gently heated to just the right temperature. This isn't just to kill any lingering bacteria, it's a crucial process to coax out the rich, complex flavors hidden within the beans. As they roast, the beans undergo a kind of metamorphosis. The heat works its magic, teasing out those familiar chocolatey notes and giving the beans their distinctive aroma. Next, the roasted beans are cooled and cracked open to reveal the nibs, the heart of the cacao bean. These nibs are then ground into a thick, fragrant paste. This isn't just grinding, it's a process of transformation. The friction generates heat, melting the natural fat in the nibs and creating a fluid known as chocolate liquor. Now don't be fooled by the name. Chocolate liquor is entirely non-alcoholic. It's a thick, rich liquid that's the essence of the cacao bean. It's this liquid that will become the chocolate we all know and love. But first, the chocolate liquor needs to be separated into its two main components: cocoa solids and cocoa butter. This is done using a press which squeezes the chocolate liquor, separating the cocoa solids from the cocoa butter. Each of these components plays a vital role in the final product. The cocoa solids give chocolate its characteristic flavor and color, while the cocoa butter provides the creamy, melt-in-your-mouth texture. And there you have it. The humble cacao beans have been transformed. They've journeyed from the tropical rainforests, through the roaster, and now stand ready as two distinct components: cocoa solids and cocoa butter. The separation process gives us the two main ingredients for making chocolate. Now we're ready to move on to the final stages of the chocolate-making process. Stay tuned to witness the magic unfold. We're now ready to make the chocolate you know and love. It's here, in this part of the process, where the magic truly happens. From the cocoa solids and cocoa butter we've produced, we now have the foundation of our delectable treat. But to transform these raw ingredients into the chocolate that melts in your mouth, we need a few more things. First, we add sugar. The sweetness of sugar provides a perfect counterbalance to the natural bitterness of the cocoa. Depending on the type of chocolate we're making, we might also add milk. Milk chocolate, as you might have guessed, contains milk in the form of powder, liquid, or condensed. Dark chocolate, on the other hand, stands alone with its robust cocoa flavor without the need for milk. Once we've mixed these ingredients together, we move on to an important stage called conching. Named after the shell-like shape of the original machines used in the process, conching involves heating and grinding the chocolate mixture for several hours, even days. This crucial step helps to refine the texture and develop the flavor, transforming the gritty cocoa mass into a velvety, smooth delight. Now, we're ready for tempering, a careful process of heating and cooling the chocolate to give it a glossy finish and a satisfying snap. Proper tempering also ensures that the chocolate will melt smoothly on your tongue, releasing its full range of flavors. Finally, it's time for molding. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds of various shapes and sizes, from small, bite-sized pieces to large, ornate creations. Once the chocolate has cooled and hardened, it's gently released from the mold, revealing the final product. And voila, the chocolate is now ready to be packaged and sent to stores. Each piece is a testament to the journey it has taken, from a humble cacao pod to the exquisite treat you savor. The final touches, as simple as they may seem, make all the difference in crafting the perfect piece of chocolate. So, there you have it, the journey from a cacao tree to a delicious piece of chocolate. It's a process that begins with the careful harvesting of ripe cacao pods. These pods are then cracked open to reveal the precious cacao beans inside. Once extracted, the beans undergo a meticulous fermentation and drying process to bring out their complex flavors. After that, it's off to the roasting and grinding stages, where the beans are transformed into a rich, smooth chocolate liquor. Then comes the art of conching, a process that refines the texture and taste of the chocolate to perfection. Finally, there's the tempering and molding stage, where the chocolate takes its final form, ready to delight your taste buds. Each step in this journey is marked by a deep dedication to quality and craftsmanship. Next time you bite into a piece of chocolate, remember the journey it took to get to you. If you found this video informative and interesting, please subscribe to the Marbella channel for more sweet insights.